Hello amazing artist, Miss Pelavon here to show you how to make your sky for your city skyline cityscape. First you write your name in the corner of your paper and then you flip your paper over. So for this artwork you're going to be creating a sky that goes behind your city so it looks like the sky is far away in the background. One thing you can use is a white crayon to create some resist clouds in the sky. So I'm just taking my white crayon and pushing down hard and creating some little swirly lines to create some clouds to make my skyline more interesting. And I'm just putting them all over the paper because I don't know how tall my cityscape will be. Now, I used a green color for this project, for my monochromatic color scheme, going from lightest to darkest. So for my sky, I'm going to pick some warm colors to offset the cool color of my green paper. The opposite color of green is red, so I can use some red colors to create the sky. First, I'm going to put some water on my paper using this sponge brush. I'm just going to put the water on the paper so that it gets the paper damp, and then the paint will spread more easily when I put the paint on it. You'll notice that where the clouds are, that some of the water is beading up because the white crayon is resisting the water. Now I'm going to start adding some color since my whole paper is wet, and I'm going to stick with the warm colors starting with some red, and you'll notice that the paint spreads out a lot easier on the paper when the paper is all damp with that water. I'm also going to add some orange in here too, just to create some variety of color on my paper so that it doesn't look like it's just a red sky. Kind of looks like a sunset behind the city. Now I'm going to paint my whole paper because I don't know how tall the city is going to be when I add it on. I haven't done that yet, so I just want to paint the whole paper so that I am prepared for the next time when I make my city. That way this paper is already done and it has a lot of color on it to offset the color of my city. So when you're done with this, this is going to go on the drying rack, and your paint tray can stay on the table and your brushes stay in the water bucket.